And no, you cannot go from here. F you so hard, man. Practice MotoGP, dog. Look where you're turning, not where you are right now, right? Something like that. That was a good turn. They're making that steel grate. I hate that thing when they put that on the road. I hate it so much. See, I would love to take pictures here facing that way with the freaking gravel. We had our frame sliders come in for the Broly. I just gotta install them, but today it was either I install them or I go for a ride. I had to choose one because I record all the processes and all the build series stuff, right? So the thing is, if I'm recording everything, it takes a while because recording adds on more time, and installation itself, even when it comes to frame sliders, it takes me a while to kind of understand what to do. I'm not that mechanically, I'm not really a technical kind of guy. This guy with the tree is the worst. He loves to brake for absolutely no reason at all. Look at that small car. Everyone's stuck behind it. Is it an old lady? Nah, it's some young dude. I was gonna cut. By cut, I mean I was gonna make a U-turn, but there was too many cars and they got too close, and then I got scared, and I'm a baby, Ooh, actually opened. Don't really want to go here. Just want to make a U-turn. Just gotta make sure nobody is coming. Just as I said that somebody is coming. Never make a U-turn on a hill. You're just asking to get slapped in the face. Ooh, seesaw. Where the f is a seesaw? Or by seesaw they mean cat. Said cat on the back. And these aren't that bad of houses or anything. It's just they're so, you know, not located to anything. Located near anything. Plus, I like those houses with those one, like a garage like that, and then another one to the side. So like a pretty much like a 3-car garage. You can make a small one a motorcycle one. That didn't even turn around, man. You hear Broly screaming like a mug at you. You turn. Wait, did I go from here? Yeah, I went from there. F me in the club, man. I'm drunk playing. Never did that thing in my life. Home. Can I go from here? Oh! We went through some dirt. And no, you cannot go from here. F you so hard, man. Practice MotoGP, dog. Look where you're turning, not where you are right now, right? Something like that. That was a good turn. Not gonna lie. Man, I went through some dirt. I feel like I just need to stall on this girl so I can get over that whole thing of stalling. God, listen to that grumble. Her belly grumbling, dog. This dude's car says a cat. Pretty sure you shouldn't be allowed to park there. That is some effed up stuff, man. Ooh, that is a nice view when you're leaving. Look at that. Park the car and then park the bike in the middle, take a couple pics, take off your clothes, then dip. Was that song by Tyga? Dip, dip, dip. Something like that. I believe Nicki's on there too. Not our Nicki. Nicki Blacker. But Nicki Minaj. They're all coming in too hot. I want to go behind the Corvette, but they're all coming in too hot. Don't want to take a chance. Plus, I'd rather be with nobody behind me anyways. If it was a Ferrari, I would have pulled out. What is that, Grom? F you then, homie. Take it up the butt. He saw me, there's nobody in front of him. He saw me that I was waving to him. Man, I really want to get ourselves a 125. Something that makes me more humble. Because I feel like right now, I'm not. Not like humble like that, but like just a lot more. We got a spider web on there. But just a lot more, what's the right word here? I don't know, something that I can't clown on like I usually do. There you go. Something I can clown on in a different way. On a Grom or 125, Z125 or whatever, we can still do whatever I do right now, but we all know that it's not gonna happen. Like, I'm not gonna be beating no Lambos or any of that stuff, but I'm still gonna be going against them. It'll be fun to mod them out because I believe Honda Grom, or I think all 125s have a huge mod market, modification market. So like aftermarket parts are like available up their butt. So that'd be kind of cool if we did that. There's always one person slowing everyone down. I kind of want to go down that other road. Only thing with the other road is too much gravel, man. Too much gravel. This road is driven on more, so there's less stuff on here. Even though this was a road that a long time ago Nimbus had a punctured tire, it was from this road. Or it could have been in there for a very long time, and then finally it showed its true colors once it was on this road. So there's like horse ranches everywhere here. See, equestrian center. Equestrian is all related to horses. I once once dated a girl who was into horses and horseback riding. Well, a lot of girls around here are, but like a girl who was like dead ass into it. It's so much fun. Dragon Balls! Fourth gear hits! Me like. Good speed. Ooh, look at that straight. Nobody behind us, right? Second gear pull. Let's go. Let's drop it around like 4,000. I still got a short shift. Broly's, she's still in training. I got the horses in the bag. I forgot that song. I'm trying to stay away from rap, just so when I get back into it, I can go in raw. Wait, does she veer too? Does she go straight? Nah, she goes straight. And then she veers to the left, I believe. Just a little. We got the horses in the bag. Oh, we got a truck up there. Just our luck. We got a truck up there. This happened to me last time too, where I was riding and there was a truck blocking. This dude's zooming. He probably did something bad. Man, I love going to libraries. Funny thing is, last time I was here, the same exact thing is that I love going to libraries. Nerdy chicks. Hot ones, not the ugly ones, hot ones. I got the horses in the bag. See, it's so amazing. If you guys can see, there's nobody behind us. So we're just zooming, fuming. There's nobody behind me right now, so I want to enjoy. Apex! So you get to have a lot of fun, and then you get, you know, up the butt pleasure. Man, if I didn't have any... didn't do this whole Broly training thing, then we could have just dropped it in the first and have some fun in first. Look at that. Look at how much she screams in first. Everyone knows when they see it from the front, it's a V4 Panigale Broly. Ah, damn it, we got a car coming up on us. Come on, truck, just pull a little bit more. Not asking a lot, just a little bit more. Or you can go on the shoulder, let all the cars pass, and then get back on the road. Could it not do that? Could it not take that hit for the team, for the squad? Actually, I kind of feel like I do want to stop, so I kind of hope he gets stopped, and the way that our traffic is going, we don't get to go, but the other people do. I just want to relax for a bit, and I want to kind of get off the bike and look at the bike. What up, dog? Can't believe I'm going that slow that I can easily see the chick and analyze her so easily. Helicopter! So nice. I kind of want to go against an MT-10. I want the Panigale Broly to go against an MT-10. How are we going so fast all of a sudden, everyone, huh? Did the truck have a stroke and drive the car or the truck off the curb? What's going on all of a sudden? But yeah, I kind of want to go against an MT-10. I seriously can't win until Broly goes against them all. It's gonna be really fun. No, we still got the truck up there. He did not have a stroke and drive off the curb. Keep forgetting. Gotta keep changing RPM and gears. So they finished construction. So now we can zoom like a mug. Time to break in Broly a little bit harder. Give her a little bit more Dragon Balls. Give her a little bit more love in her training. We got a truck up there, so that's gonna F us up. But other than that, we don't give up. Oh, come on, man. Cars already? Thought we had enough time for some fun before cars. It's a Prius! Goddamn Prius. Riding on a work day is so amazing. Knowing that everybody at my office is choking on it because it's big enough. And I'm out here just, you know, riding Broly because she's big enough. And it's supposed to be like a lake or something that way. So sometimes when I'm driving on the road and you gotta see cars parked on the side and they're like, why would there be a car parked here? Either they're making love, aka bumping bellies, or there's a trail that they're just hitting and that's why they parked over there to hit the trail. You know, one of my pet peeves tips or quirks that I don't like about myself is that sometimes for a call, I'll say, man, what are you riding? You're not riding, you're driving. And then for when I'm riding, I'm talking about stuff that I'm doing. I'm like, yeah, let's go for a drive. Like, no, let's go for a ride when I'm on a motorcycle. Kind of gets to me. I'm always like, damn it. Unless I think before I talk, that's the only way I can fix this. But if I act and, you know, stay the way that I am, the same, then I'm always going to be making this a mistake. So the other way we were coming back, got hit with the truck. Now we're going this way, got hit with another truck. We got a car approaching, man. Why? I was going to leave some space and then have some fun. And then stop for a while, then have some fun. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people, then me, and then a 9th person behind us. Please, everyone, just go left. Damn it. All right. 3 people out of the 7 in front of me. But at least they're not going that slow. We still got that Prius hogging booty. Like, I can't even complain. Yeah, we're stuck behind these cars and stuff like that, but this is the perfect scenario, man. Perfect scenario. So if we're just breaking in the bike, rolling through some hardcore training through all the gears. But I'm thinking that once we hit 300, or maybe we'll do one more coming back. And if we still get hit with a lot of traffic, we'll find someone else to ride. Because this is pretty much taking the fun out of it. Because there's no Mr. Popo or anything here. Why are we still not hauling ass? Seriously, Prius, come on, man. Okay, 2 Priuses out the way, 2 cars left. See, both Priuses are gonna go and talk about why they go so slow. The annual Prius meeting in the woods. See, there's another Prius in the corner right there too. Yeah, so I don't know exactly how many miles we put on this girl, but this guy's zooming. So we zoom too then. I like this guy. Honda, come on, man. This guy's zooming. Let him zoom. Well, it's so nice to see some riders out, because mostly everyone should be at work. That's what I'm talking about. Zoom. People zoom. Finally, Honda's pushing it. Come on, I need the sun. I need the sun. There you go. Otherwise, it's too damn cold. Honda, either go faster or pull over. Well, thanks 40, we're pushing it. I respect that. I really do respect that. Ah, gotta be careful, the road is wet over here. Ah! Road is wet, road is wet. Goddamn trees. Let the sun do his thing. And now we got a car up there holding us all up. Come on, man. I'm out here trying to zoom like Boosie told me to. At least we got the sun. My fingers are so cold. Those heated grips are coming handy right now. Me turning around right now, I could have a lot of fun. Because there's like nobody on the roads. Should I? Nah, I want to fill up the tank because I don't know how long I can go before I run out of gas. And I can still do a lap there, a lap back. I just don't want to go for that because sadly Ducati didn't care about adding any kind of fuel indication on here besides a light. Dude, you're going to have so much fun on that road. Go ahead and zoom. So much fun on that road. And there it is, arch nemesis Prius. You can't wait to get on that road, have like 30 cars behind it, and then all of a sudden decide not to do the speed limit anymore. Shout out to you, Ford, you were a beast. Shout out to you, Honda, you tried. Oh, my Dragon Balls. God, it sounds like a freaking monster. God, that rumble. Ah, me like. I love the noises, I love the sounds, I love the moans, everything about this bike, everything that it does, me love. Me in love. Me wanna make love. Oh, this bike. You gotta be careful because cars zoom. I think this is the 4th time we're fueling her. I wanna keep track.